10 Best Spark Plugs for 2019 Ram 1500 5.7 Hemi 2025. Let's dive into the details. Number 10. 2011 to 2019 Hemi 5.7L Coil Packs and Iridium Plugs. Is your 2011 to 2019 Hemi 5.7L feeling sluggish or experiencing misfires? Revitalize your ride with our premium coil packs and Iridium plugs. Engineered to deliver stronger, more stable sparks, this set ensures complete combustion, instantly restoring lost horsepower, sharpening throttle response, and significantly improving fuel economy. Say goodbye to rough idles, frustrating P0300, P0308 codes, and unreliable starts. Our pre-gapped Iridium plugs, lasting up to 40,000 miles, combined with OE quality, heat-resistant coils for unmatched durability and performance, often exceeding standard OEM. Designed for a direct, plug-and-play fit, installation is straightforward, saving you costly dealership labor. Enjoy a smoother, quieter, and more powerful Hemi experience. Drive with confidence, backed by our 2-year warranty. Number 9. Hemi 5.7L 6.4L V8 Iridium Spark Plugs. Hemi owners, ready to unleash your engine's true potential? Our 16-pack of NGK Iridium 9 spark plugs is engineered specifically for your 5.7L or 6.4L V8. Featuring a superfine iridium tip on a robust copper core, these plugs deliver an exceptionally strong, consistent spark. This translates directly to crisper throttle response, smoother idle, and improved fuel efficiency, giving you that iconic Hemi power with unmatched reliability. The Iridium construction means superior durability and extended service intervals, keeping your ride running flawlessly. With precise specifications like the 0.551-inch thread and 50.5 mm insulator height, you're getting a perfect, direct fit upgrade. Don't compromise on performance. Give your Hemi the ignition it deserves and experience the difference. Number 8. Champion Spark Plugs Ram 1500 5.7L Hemi 2011 to 2024. Give your Ram 1500's 5.7L Hemi the powerful, consistent performance it deserves with genuine Champion spark plugs. Engineered specifically for modern engine demands, these plugs deliver long-lasting power you can truly feel on every drive. Champion's commitment to quality is evident in their durable, precious metal construction, ensuring improved performance with less wear and tear than competitor plugs. With a legacy forged on racetracks, Champion brings that innovative, race-winning reliability directly to your truck. As an expert in manufacturing OE components, they guarantee a seamless, perfect fit and an easy replacement. Trust in Champion's decades of expertise for uncompromising quality and a longer plug life, keeping your Hemi running its absolute best. Experience the difference of a true Champion. Number 7. Boost Ram 1500 Hemi NGK Iridium Spark Plugs 2011 to 2024. Unleash the full power of your Ram 1500 Hemi 2011 to 2024 with genuine NGK Iridium spark plugs engineered for precision. As the world leader in ignition technology, NGK delivers a superior upgrade designed to profoundly reduce problematic misfires and harmful emissions. You'll instantly feel a noticeably smoother, more efficient engine, thanks to advanced center and ground electrodes that create a sharper, more focused spark. This translates into improved ignition and outstanding spark efficiency, ensuring truly complete, powerful combustion every single time. Get ready for enhanced throttle response, better fuel economy, and consistent, reliable performance that lasts for the long haul. Trust NGK to keep your Hemi roaring at its absolute best. Number 6. NGK 5.7L Hemi Iridium Spark Plugs 16-pack. Unleash your 5.7L Hemi's true potential with this 16-pack of NGK Laser Iridium Spark Plugs, LZFR 5CI 1192145. As the world's leading OEM supplier, NGK delivers unmatched quality, reliability, and durability. Engineered specifically for OE applications, these laser iridium plugs offer the ultimate combination of sustained performance and incredible longevity. Experience consistently reliable starts and smoother engine operation thanks to their advanced design. The iridium-tipped center electrode, an impressive 6 times harder than platinum, ensures extreme durability and a precise, long-lasting spark. Coupled with a platinum pad on the ground electrode and a 98% pure copper core, these plugs expertly prevent overheating, maintaining optimal performance, and providing the power and peace of mind you demand from your Hemi. Number 5. Challenger 5.7L NGK Iridium Spark Plugs. Ready to reignite your Challenger's true potential? This 16-pack of genuine NGK Iridium 9 spark plugs is engineered specifically for your Dodge Challenger 5.7L V8, covering models from 2009 to 2020. As a direct replacement, installation is seamless, and with original packaging and hardware included, you'll have everything needed for a perfect fit. NGK Iridium 9 plugs are renowned for their exceptional ignitability, providing crisper throttle response, more consistent power delivery, and improved fuel efficiency. Say goodbye to misfires and hello to the exhilarating performance your Challenger was built for. Trust in genuine NGK parts to deliver the reliability and power upgrade you deserve, making every drive unforgettable. Number 4. NGK Spark Plug Upgrade for Ram 1500 Hemi. Give your Ram 1500 Hemi the ignition upgrade it truly deserves with this genuine 16-pack of NGK G-Power Spark Plugs. Specifically engineered for 2011 to 2024 5.7L V8 models, these aren't just replacements, they're a performance enhancement. Experience noticeably smoother idling, sharper throttle response, and restored fuel efficiency thanks to NGK's advanced G-Power technology. As direct replacement auto parts, installation is incredibly straightforward, arriving with all original packaging and necessary hardware for a hassle-free swap. Trust in NGK's renowned quality to keep your Hemi running at its absolute best, ensuring optimal power and reliability mile after mile. Unleash your truck's full potential. Number 3. Ram 1500 Hemi Spark Plug Upgrade. Unleash your Ram 1500 Hemi's full potential with our E3 Spark Plug Upgrade 16-pack, precisely engineered for 2011 to 2024 5.7L V8 models. Experience an immediate power boost and noticeable fuel efficiency. Our exclusive Diamond Fire design ensures an edge-to-edge spark for complete combustion, guaranteeing quicker, more reliable starts in any weather and consistently smooth performance. Crafted with a durable copper core and ceramic top, these plugs drastically reduce performance-inhibiting carbon deposits, extending their lifespan. You'll also benefit from enhanced ignitability, reduced electromagnetic interference thanks to the integrated resistor, and a secure gasket seat. Trust E3's dedication to ignition advancements to give your Ram the powerful, efficient drive it truly deserves. Number 2. Hemi 5.7L Ignition Coil and Spark Plug Kit 06-15. Is your Hemi 5.7L losing its legendary roar? Reinvigorate your 2006 to 2015 Dodge Ram, Charger, Durango, Jeep Grand Cherokee, or Chrysler 300 with our premium ignition coil and spark plug kit. Engineered for excellence, these components feature aerospace-grade copper and high-density epoxy, ensuring superior conductivity, enhanced durability, and OEM-compliant performance you can trust. Say goodbye to frustrating misfires, poor acceleration, and excessive fuel consumption. Our meticulously paired coils and spark plugs are designed to deliver a significant 18% performance boost, restoring lost power and efficiency. Enjoy a smoother, more responsive drive and clearer check engine lights. Easy to install, this kit provides an instant, noticeable upgrade for your Hemi. Number 1. NGK Ruthenium HX Spark Plugs for Ram 1500 Hemi. Ready to unleash the full potential of your Ram 1500 Hemi? Upgrade your truck's performance with this 16-pack of genuine NGK Ruthenium HX Spark Plugs. Specifically engineered for your 5.7L V8, 2011 to 2024 models. These aren't just any spark plugs. The advanced Ruthenium technology ensures superior ignition efficiency, delivering sharper throttle response, improved fuel economy, and consistent power you'll feel with every drive. As direct replacements, installation is straightforward, and with all original packaging and hardware included, you'll have everything needed. You're getting authentic NGK quality, guaranteeing optimal engine health and long-lasting reliability. Give your Hemi the precision spark it deserves and experience the difference. So, that sums up my 10 best spark plugs for 2019 Ram 1500 5.7 Hemi. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description, so make sure to check those out. Until next time, have a great day.